Hi everyone, good to see you again all. I hope you all will be fine. Please subscribe my channel for more latest updates. Bitcoin price prediction and Bitcoin price will hit $100,000. Bitcoin price movements are notoriously difficult to predict, especially over weeks or months. But momentum seems bullish so far this year, and there is at least some evidence the 2023 Bitcoin rally still has legs heading into the second half of the year. Bitcoin stock to flow. One model used to predict Bitcoin's price movement is stock to flow, a methodology typically used to value commodities. The commodities stock is its total existing supply, and its flow is the total new supply created in a year. Because Bitcoin's new supply is constant regardless of the price of the asset or its market demand, some investors use Bitcoin's stock-to-flow ratio to predict its future price trajectory. Bitcoin's current stock-to-flow ratio is about 59.1, roughly in line with gold's 62.3 ratio, assuming 3,000 tons of gold is mined per year. Bitcoin is uniquely designed for its flow to decrease as more Bitcoins are mined. Bitcoin undergoes so-called halving, which cuts in half the number of newly created Bitcoins issued to miners for validating one block of transactions on the blockchain. As Bitcoin's flow drops, its stock-to-flow ratio rises. Some investors have used Bitcoin's historical stock-to-flow ratio as a model for its future price. But the model has its shortcomings. For example, stock-to-flow does not consider basic pricing factors, such as investor demand, macroeconomic conditions or regulatory restrictions. As a result, Bitcoin prices plummeted in 2022 after the stock-to-flow model predicted prices would hit $100,000. Thus exposing the flaw of using such a model for Bitcoin predictions. Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin bulls who are confident the crypto is headed higher can leverage their bets by buying Bitcoin futures contracts. Futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell an asset at a specific price at a future date, and they can provide a high degree of leverage that can supercharge investor returns. But that leverage can also add a layer of risk on top of an already volatile and high-risk investment like Bitcoin. Nick Riggill, owner of Ironclad Financial. Still, it's difficult to predict Bitcoin price fluctuations with confidence. Predicting the future prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum is inherently complex due to the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency space, Riggill says. In light of recent technological advancements and upgrades to both platforms, I am of the opinion that we continue to see prices rise through the end of 2023. Will Bitcoin reach $100,000? Market experts like ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood have made headlines for bold, long-term Bitcoin price predictions. Wood, for example, has said Bitcoin prices could reach $1.5 million by 2030. Unfortunately, many of these experts making Bitcoin price predictions have a hit-or-miss track record of performance and risk management. Even Wood's former boss at AllianceBernstein, Lisa Shallett, now Morgan Stanley Wealth Management's chief investment officer, has called Wood a boom or bust investor who doesn't disinvest or risk manage. Lauren Mendoza, certified public accountant and co-founder of Bank Standard, says the long-term outlook for Bitcoin will depend on several unpredictable factors, such as institutional adoption, global usage and regulatory framework. In the long term, it's challenging to predict specific price targets for Bitcoin and Ethereum due to the market's volatility and dependency on external factors. However, the fundamental principles underpinning both cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, decentralization and growing use cases, suggest the potential for further growth, Mendoza says. Thanks, take care.